Hey kids, welcome to Animal Discovery. Today we're going to learn some amazing and unusual facts about animals. Are you ready for an adventure? We're going to see animals with long necks and animals that live in the ocean. We're going to learn about animals that can change colors and animals that fly in big groups. So put on your explorer hats and let's get started. Are you excited? I am. Let's go. Look, it's a giraffe. Have you ever seen an animal this tall? Giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth. They have really long necks. How long? A giraffe's neck can be over 6 feet long. That's taller than most grown-ups. Their long necks help them reach way up high to eat leaves from the tops of trees. Yummy! Being tall also helps them see danger from far away. Ooh, it's an octopus. Octopuses are so cool. You know what's really amazing about them? They have 3 hearts. That's right, 1, 2, 3 hearts. 2 of their hearts pump blood to their gills so they can breathe underwater. And the 3rd heart pumps blood to the rest of their body. How cool is that? Look at all those flamingos. Aren't they beautiful with their pink feathers? They love to stand on one leg. Can you stand on one leg? It's tricky. Flamingos stand on one leg to keep warm. It's true. When they stand on one leg, they tuck the other leg up close to their body to keep it warm. Standing on one leg also helps them keep their balance, especially when it's windy. Pretty smart, right? Caw, listen, it's a crow! Crows are very smart birds. Did you know that a group of crows is called a murder? That's a little spooky. But don't worry, crows aren't scary. They're actually very helpful because they eat things that are old and rotting, like food that's been left outside. They help keep our world clean. Waddle, look at those penguins go. Penguins are such funny walkers. They waddle because their legs are way in the back of their bodies. Having their legs in the back helps them swim super fast in the water, like little torpedoes. But it makes walking a little bit silly, but we still love penguins. They're so cute and cuddly looking. Wow, wasn't that amazing? Now you know some really cool facts about animals. We learned about tall giraffes, amazing octopuses, balancing flamingos, clever crows, and waddling penguins. Thanks for watching Animal Discovery. I had so much fun exploring with you today. Learning about animals is so much fun, isn't it? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fun facts. See you next time.